Hi, so I went to the doctor today and they did find out some of the major things that were wrong with my neck and my spine and what was causing the problem. So I go in on Wednesday or Thursday your time to get my first adjustment to fix what's wrong with everything. So I'm glad that they were able to find out what is wrong, and hopefully I will be able to come back very, very shortly because I miss you guys. Okay, so in your books on page 19 and 20, page 19 or 19 and 20, we're going to start going over factoring. Some of you took a quiz on factoring because they did not label the quizzes correctly. So, for those of you who did do that quiz, I'm actually going to teach you how to do it because now we're to that section. If you did not understand something from the video I did yesterday, I hope that you ask me a question. You can message me. I don't want to do a group chat. I would prefer doing it one-on-one because then I can find out where specifically you are wrong. If it's something where I think maybe more people would have questions, I would address it in the actual page. But for right now, I just want you to ask me your questions. But anyways, okay. Factoring polynomials. How in the world do you factor polynomials? In class tomorrow, in your notes, I want you to go to page 19 and write down the bold terms and their definitions. There are 2 of them, and you will want to know them, so you should write those down and study them. Okay, how do you factor a polynomial? You would have, let's give you the equation on page 20. I'm going to do the ones there for the examples. You have 3r plus 6, and now you would have to factor this. With factoring, you're getting it to the smallest number. In your books, you would be getting the, what is it? I need the word. What is the word? You're looking for the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor in here is looking for the 3. So the 3 is the greatest common multiple. You can't do anything with 3. I guess in a way it would be similar to the least common multiple, because this is the smallest number. So you can't divide 6 into 3 without getting a fraction, so you would leave it here with the 3. So you would take out 3 on both sides. So you would have 3, then in parentheses, it would separate the r, so you would have r, plus, then you'd have 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2. So this is how you would get the, this is how you would factor a polynomial. Separating it and doing something like that. Let's do another one. So you would have 12q cubed minus 24q squared. And then you would have to, oh my goodness, I touched a cat again. I'm sorry. I will try to not touch a cat before I do a video. Oh my goodness. Okay, so to factor this, the greatest common factor, or the least common multiple, would be 12. So you take 12 out, and then you do q cubed minus, now you would divide that in half, so it would be 12, wait, sorry, just kidding, not 12. 2, q squared. You could do that. Or another way that you could write it would be 12q squared times q minus 2. This is another way of writing it. So there's 2 potential ways. You could leave the q's in there, or you could take some out. It's up to you. However you want to do it. Either one I would accept. So that's another way of doing it. Okay. Let's do one more. Oh my goodness. I'm kneeling while making this video and my legs are falling asleep. Okay, so we have 12x times m plus 2 minus 5m, whoops, plus 2. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry. My legs are killing me. Okay. Okay, so now you have to... the greatest common factor. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. The best way to do this one, these are the same things. So you could have m plus 2, because you have this, okay, times 12 minus 5. So you're just making it 2 equations. So you're taking this part, and you're linking it in here, because you'd be multiplying both of these times both numbers, which is exactly what you're doing here. So it would give you the same answer. So this would be your answer. I can't answer any questions because none of you are here to raise your hand and ask me a question. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me, comment something, let me know you have a question. And if you don't have any questions, then I want you to do on page 28, number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. I hope this is relatively easy. It should be relatively easy. If you have any questions, don't feel bad. It's okay. Some stuff makes sense to other people, some stuff it doesn't make sense to other people, so it's okay. No stupid questions, but, I mean, there's no stupid questions. This is your homework, right here. But, alright, see you next time. Bye.